Hi, Jenny here. Summer is in the air, and that usually means time for family get-togethers, which also means usually you need a dish to bring to pass. So this one I think is perfect for that. Today we are going to make Ambrosia Salad. Let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need one 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, thawed, half a cup of vanilla yogurt, 1 cup of shredded coconut, an 11-ounce can of mandarin oranges, 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple or pineapple tidbits, 1 cup of maraschino cherries, half a cup of chopped pecans, and 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows. This recipe is pretty easy in that we just dump all the ingredients into a large bowl and mix them all together. So, for the oranges, because they come in a can of all juice, I like to drain those into a cup. Sloppily. I like to drink the juice from the canned fruits. You don't have to, you can just dump it. But you do need to drain them so that you don't have all that liquid in there. It would make your salad too liquidy. So we'll drain those, put them in our bowl. And then I have crushed pineapple instead of pineapple tidbits. I'm going to drain those too. It may not be as easy as if I'd had tidbits. But I think I'm just going to do it in the same cup because why not? I have orange pineapple juice. Yummy. Right. Gotta let that one drain for a little bit. And we'll mix some more. I already measured out 1 cup of coconut, so we'll put that in there. And then for your cherries, you can put them in full size. I like to cut them up. Let's cut them in half. So we'll measure out that 1 cup and cut them in half and add those. I'm assuming this jar is going to be just a little over a cup. Otherwise, I'm going to just empty out the cherry juice too, and then you want to be careful with the cherry juice and try not to get any on your counter because the cherry juice does stain. I did just make a recipe for a fruit dip that used some of the cherry juice, so I will link that down below. Well, that's another one of them that I put cherries on my, ice cream sundaes, and then if the cherries are all gone, then I drink the cherry juice. Do you guys like to do that? You drink the juice? Canned fruits, jarred cherries. Let me know. I'm sure I'm not the only one who does that. And if I am, oh well. Juice. Alright, we'll do half a cup of our pecans. And a whole container of Cool Whip. I think I'm just going to use my spat. You usually want to kind of fluff the Cool Whip a little bit first. It's kind of compacted in there, but if you mix it around a little bit, it makes it a little bit more fluffier, expands a little. add our fruit, or pineapple I should say, as we already have our half a cup of vanilla. I didn't finish my sentence, did I? Our pineapple, we already had our mandarin oranges in there. Same with your yogurt, whatever kind you get. Might be a little liquidy on the top, so you want to mix it up a little bit. And last but not least, 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows. Now you can use the regular white kind if you like. Otherwise, the colored kind are usually some fruit flavors. So it adds just a little extra flavor to your salad. Woo. See if I can pour them. You know, it wouldn't be on the cooking video of mine if I didn't spill something all over. Alright, and now we mix it up. When your salad is all mixed up, then just keep it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. So there you have it. The ambrosia salad is done. As you can see, it's super simple to make. You just pour all the ingredients in the bowl and mix it all up, and there you go. For me, this is like the taste of summer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, because I like that button down there. If you haven't already subscribed, if you could hit that subscribe button too, I'd appreciate that. If you hit the little bell notification symbol next to that, it'll let you know when I upload my next video. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate that. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Don't stick it together. Fruity and sweet and very summer-like. Love it.